thunderstorm warning for East Central Kerr County, Blanco County, Gillespie County, Llano County, Northern County, Western Burnett County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Valley Spring to near Fredericksburg to near Cypress Creek, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, and trees. Locations include Kerrville, Fredericksburg, Marble Falls, Llano, Comfort, Round Mountain, Buchanan Dam, Kingsville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Johnson City, Meadow Lakes, Buchanan Lake Village, Stonewall, Highland Haven, Keystone, Field Creek, Ings Lake State Park, and Kerrville Shriner Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, that didn't go off.
What? You're listening to the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 354, effective at 11 p.m. Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Bandera, Blanco, Burnett, Caldwell, Hayes, Lee, Travis, and Williamson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage close to the watch area. Rapidly, while severe weather may not be imminent, rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible
warnings. Bastrop, I gotta get Lagrange.
The latest severe weather information.
Okay, there we go.
Radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe weather information. Your local forecast. Excessive heat warning in effect.
I'm gonna move this to
Current time is 6:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
unless I switch to 2, but
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 354. A chance of showers will 11 p.m. Central Daylight after midnight region. It will be difficult for folks to stay cool. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for East Central 2.
I really hate how sensitive that is. And the reason why my room is dark is because of all that hot air. This room actually reached 80 degrees. Went back down to 79. It doesn't feel like 79, but it'll cool off at the end. Don't worry. AC and everything's working, but I just have everything turned on because I'm not in the room right now. Otherwise, looks like we'll have some more summertime events. And that, so. I'm not true.
Northwestern Hayes County, Northwestern Travis County, Blanco County, Southeastern Gillespie County, Eastern Llano County, Northeastern Kendall County, Burnett County, Northeastern Coleman County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
All right.
At 6:30 p.m.
We better get some rain. I don't want this storm to disappear.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Babyhead to near Round Mountain to near Kreuzberg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Okay.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Stop.
Canyon Lake Dam, the Ember, Canyon Lake, Gainesville, Lakewood, Lava Vista, Decatur, Granite Shoals, Canyon Lake, Gainesville, Lakewood, Lava Vista, Decatur, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Hudson Bend, and Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blanco County, northeastern Gillespie County, Llano
Siggy.
County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:40
Good boy,
p.m.
Siggy.
Central Daylight Time, severe Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Valley Spring to near Oxford to near Eckerd, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingsland, Leno, Round Mountain, Gainesville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Stonewall, Lone Grove, Blowout, Enchanted Rock State Natural Area, Sandy, Willow City, Valley Spring, LBJ State Park, Rocky Creek, Baby Head, Stoles, High, Eckerd, and Albert. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local forecast. Excessive heat warning in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight
lower down.
Greater Greens Point in spring.
What the heck?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
How did you not go off for that? Oh well. It stands.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm. Gwinnett County, Gonzales County, Southwestern Fayette County, Lavata County, Eastern Wilson County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Located along the line extending Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Cistern to near Flint.
Oh shoot.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles.
Oh.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Guerrero, Gonzales, Yoakum, Schulenburg, Harlansville, Yorktown, Laconia, Moulton, Nixon, Wilder, Smiley, Sublime, Cheapside, Hoheim, Eggle, Westhoff, Kamensky, Monkhouse, and Montphalia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of the killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Your local forecast.
Hey, what?
Excessive heat warning in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening.
Oh.
Severe east winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
So, I haven't heard these towns in a while. Cheapside, well, it better be cheap. Schulenburg. Yeah. So far the storms have moved out of the WSK-27's area. Actually, says it's not raining, but it's moving down south. Wonder if it's possible I could get Victoria. Obviously I can't, but hi, Leah. Hi. Oh.
The development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunder.
So I guess we're gonna keep 354 because, well, for a new watch to be issued, it would have to be all by the Storm Prediction Center. I don't see anything for Corpus IM chat yet, but that was just an extension. No. Expansion to areas. Since the Wood and Lavaca are included. And yeah. Remember, Leah. Expanded. Not extended. That's just a little blooper for me.
Your thunderstorm watch number 353 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And now includes the following county: Colorado, Texas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for radar statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding.
Oh, that's Lano.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Fredericksburg, Kingsland, Lano. Stonewall, the broadcast cycle for this channel is currently going through maintenance. It is not known whether the broadcast will be fully operable. We apologize for the inconvenience and greatly appreciate your patience.
Looks like they're still having problems. That's no wonder why they didn't test.
Dunwoody County, southwestern Lavaca County, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I don't know if my microphone's up or what.
At 9:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ezel to near Weezatch, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coyero, Yoakum, Yorktown, Shiner, Thomaston, Ezel, Hoheim, Westhoff, Worthing, Korth, Edgar, Greenow, New Davie, Myersville, Montana, Sweet Home, Arnickville, Mount Olive, and Concrete. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
I'm also going to get a lot of hate for this, but I don't eat the pizza crust. So here you go, Siggy. You can have some.
Therefore, a tropical depression will likely form during the next day or so. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter size 15 miles per hour across radar indicated.
Got him.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Formation chance through 7 days. High 90%. Severe thunderstorm watch number 354 remains Schroeder, Da Costa, with high, Bloomington, Mission Valley, Victoria, and Nursery. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are Sunset Lake, Brentwood subdivision, including Inez, Salem, Victoria Regional Airport, and Health Center. This includes the following highways. One should agree near rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible mile markers 622 and 648. Bus Highway 77 between mile markers 560 and 590. U.S. Highway 87 between mile markers 798 and 822. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Nice. So, okay, well, there goes my first ever CRP severe thunderstorm warning. I knew how to go with my gut and give it a try, so. Ain't that right, Siggy?
Daylight time, a severe thunderstorm southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Columbus, Eagle Lake, Altair, and Rock Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.